If you're searching for a new home where every day feels like a retreat, well then we've got your back, because today we're looking at our newest listing at Traditions at River Oaks. In this 55 or better active adult community, life is all about comfort, connection, and enjoying every moment.
Located right here in the heart of Paso Robles, this neighborhood offers the perfect blend of peaceful living and vibrant community. So if you're interested in investing in not just a new home, but also a lifestyle, then get ready to pack your bags. At Traditions, you'll find everything you need to live your best life. A clubhouse buzzing with activities, a junior Olympic-sized pool for relaxation and exercise, and these great walking paths to keep you moving and connected to the community and the great outdoors.
And it just so happens this new listing is ready for its new owner. Check out the beautiful curb appeal you've got here. All low maintenance, this is taken care of by the association. We've got a relaxing front patio, and the backyard is pretty great too. But let me show you the inside first. And stay tuned to the end of this video so that we can revisit those amazing amenities that Traditions has to offer.
Check out the bright natural light in this kitchen. The sleek white cabinets adds to the ambiance as well. And just off the kitchen, you have your laundry room, and it already has the washer and dryer in it. And then your living room is anchored by a cozy gas fireplace, which opens seamlessly to the private backyard through the sliding glass doors. Let's head through the hallway where you will find 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The primary suite stands out with stylish wood look tile flooring, a luxurious ensuite bath with dual sinks, a walk-in shower featuring pebble stone tile, and a custom organized walk-in closet. Your guest bathroom offers a fabulous tub, which is ready for your guests, and there's more of the wood look tile included in the sale, ready for installation.
If privacy is important to you, this fenced backyard features a covered aluminum patio with olive trees and a design that emphasizes low maintenance. Its slight elevation enhances the sense of privacy while the front yard remains pristine, fully maintained by the HOA. Now let's get you over to those amenities. This home isn't just about the property itself, it's about the lifestyle. Living here means being a part of a community, enjoying the pool, the clubhouse, fitness center, and so much more. And of course, this is all just minutes from downtown Paso Robles, as well as wineries and vineyards.
This stunning home at Traditions at River Oaks is waiting for its next chapter, and it could be yours. If you're ready to see it in person and experience the lifestyle it offers, just reach out to schedule a private tour.